So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to link a Wealthsimple bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. So once PayPal's opened up, go to the bottom right, press on Wallet, and then go ahead and press on Banks and Cards, Add New, and then press on Banks. Now once you're here, you can go to the top and search for your bank, because if you just were to scroll down right here, it actually doesn't show up. So go to the top here. Now if you type in Wealthsimple, it actually won't show up either. So what you have to do is press on Enter Your Bank Details. Make sure that your Canadian bank account is selected, so make sure that's this right here. Type in checkings or savings. You want to type in the bank transit number, the institution number, as well as your account number, and make sure that aligns with your Wealthsimple account. Then once that is done, press on Agree and Link, and then you can link your Wealthsimple bank account to your PayPal this way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to link a Wealthsimple bank account to your PayPal account on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.